So this experiment, we're trying to see if we can get the Kahr PM9 to jam using Hollowpoint ammunition, but we don't want to spend the money on shooting a whole bunch of Hollowpoint ammunition. So I'm going to shoot FMJ, but have a topped off magazine with the top round being Hollowpoint. I'm going to make the weapon hot with FMJ, and this is just so that we don't shoot the Hollowpoint round. We just want to see if it goes into battery without jamming, which I've had one failure to do so today. So let's see what happens. Alright, went well. Try it again. So this is a test that you can do with different kinds of Hollowpoint ammunition to see if it'll cycle properly into the firearm without actually having to fire off the ammunition. Now, of course, once you find ammunition that works, you do want to shoot off a bunch of it to get the full test. But as preliminary, you can use FMJs with the Hollowpoint just being at the top. So now the Hollowpoint has gone into battery successfully without catching. The problem is that sometimes when you have a topped off magazine and you fire, the first round gets stuck. And that's why the manufacturer says that when you load this gun, what you should never do is have the gun with the slide in battery, insert the magazine, and then rack and try to load the first round, because it'll always jam when you do it by hand. And it's jammed. So the way you're supposed to load this gun properly is the gun's empty, you lock the slide back, which if you were doing a tactical reload, you fired off all the rounds in your magazine, it's time to insert a new magazine, this is the condition the gun would be in anyway, and then you would insert and then release the slide and it will go to battery. So again, if you have the slide closed and try to rack it, it'll jam. That's the wrong way to do it. The way you have to do it, the gun should be locked back, insert the magazine, release the slide. So knowing that, that's why I conducted this experiment, was to see if, while firing the gun, if it would jam with Hollowpoints, and it has. Very rarely, but it has. So I just want to see which kind of ammunition works best by conducting this test, which doesn't shoot off a lot of Hollowpoints, it just cycles one into the chamber. And I'm shooting FMJs with a Hollowpoint on top of the magazine going into battery, making sure it goes. Thanks.